everybody. I don't know if this is legal or not while I'm driving, but I'm entering into Antelope Island State Park. I came up here last weekend and got a few images of buffalo and bison, I should say. It's American bison, not buffalo, and a meadowlark. Weather was a little bit crappy, but had my dear wife with me, and so it was hard for me to shoot video with her along. You know, it was more about us, and I hope you can appreciate that. I'm gonna share my images with you that I took. But I'm back up here again today, and see, it's about 7:45 in the morning. Just entering into the park. I'm hopefully going to shoot video. I didn't get a chance to shoot video last weekend, and this weekend I'm hoping to shoot video of course, the birds up here if I can find any. You know, I'm hoping to find a great gray owl, or no, I should say a great horned owl, and also maybe some meadow larks, larkspurs, who knows what I'm going to find. Harrier, all those birds are up in this area. At least I saw them last weekend. So I'm going to go ahead and see what I can find, and as I come upon different subjects to photograph, I'm going to stop and show you what I got, and I'm going to photograph it and just to share the experience with you. So I appreciate you coming along, and let's see what we can find. That was way cool. Just got some video and pictures of the meadowlark. Boy, the sun sure is harsh right now. I can see it in this video, getting all kinds of shadows and stuff. But oh well, that's what happens when you vlog and you drive. I'm gonna go down here and take another pass by the beach drive close to the Great Salt Lake and see what I come up with. Well, hello, see if you can make me out okay. Boy, it sure is harsh out here, the sunlight. Anyway, I'm pulled off the side of the road. I'm guessing I'm on the road going up to Bison Overlook, and that's Bison Bay out there. Right down below there, I don't know if you can make it out, is a buck pronghorn antelope. Anyway, I'm going to take some pictures of it with my Z9 and my 600mm AFS VR lens here. I'm going to shoot some video at it. Shoot some video, so I'll go ahead and share that with you. Okay, well, he's not moving, he's just sitting there. Maybe I should sit here for a little bit to see if he does get up. And I'm gonna go out and try to find some bison, see if I can get some starlings landing on their backs like I did before. And then I'm gonna go ahead head down to the Garr ranch and go in the wooded area, the cottonwoods, and see if I can find some great horned owls. So that's the plan for today so far, and let's see what happens. Bison along the way. We shall see. Okay, well, I'm here at the Garr Ranch, and I'm heading down to the cottonwood grove behind the ranch. That's what the ranch looks like. I don't know if you can see it because of the sun. It's pretty harsh, but first time I've ever been here, so I'm kind of looking forward to this. Hopefully I see something. Like I said, I'm looking for great horned owls. There should be a couple of them maybe nesting down in here. I have my Nikon Z9 mounted on my AFS 600G VR lens, and this should do the trick if they're down here. So anyway, if I find something, I'll bring you back on, and hopefully we'll be able to see it here on my GoPro I'm shooting on. Okay, so I'll join you in a minute. Hey, that's nice about it. You can take a rid of the noise and put music over the top of it.
Yeah. You let me know though.
You know, you have to contend with the jets and everything else. You wouldn't believe what the camera is able to pick up.